Hi everyone! Today I want to show you how I create watercolor textures using just water, paint and salt. I'm working on torchon watercolor paper. It has a strong texture and it's perfect for experimental effects. First I take clean water and gently wet the paper. I don't rush this part, but I like watching how the water settles into the surface. Now I start adding color. The texture of the paper already does a lot of work for me. As I paint, I'm thinking more about movement than details. I want the colors to breathe and to mix on their own. While the paint is still wet, I add salt, just a little, and I drop it in different areas. This is my favorite moment because I never fully know what it will happen next. The salt reacts with the water and pulls the pigment away, creating these beautiful organic patterns. I usually pause here and just observe. It feels like a collaboration between me and the materials. Now I let everything dry completely. This part takes patience, but it's worth it. Once it's dry, I gently remove the salt and reveal the final texture. Every time the result is different, and that's why I love this technique. It's simple, natural, and full of surprises.